In my opinion, it is the concept of externalities. It is when someone externalizes harm or benefits to another party. For example, polluting is a negative externality, and education has positive externalities. Most environmental issues are a negative externality problem. They look like someone able to lower their costs by externalizing some of it to the local or global environment. A manufacturer who decides to put a lot of CO2 in the atmosphere instead of investing in a filtering mechanism is reducing the cost to himself by externalizing some of it to the rest of us and future generations of humans. The CO2 emitted in the atmosphere is in this case an unpriced negative externality. The cost that it has in society does not figure on the manufacturer's balance sheet. The process lacks full cost accounting. Therefore, the resource allocation by the market will not be efficient and will not reach the right equilibrium. It will systematically give a slight advantage to those in position to benefit from this blind spot. At least, that's the essence of it.